The traditional dilemma of the poor. A shield or true belief? The theory most relied upon by all poor people is tradition. We cannot deny the essence found in many traditions, but we must also acknowledge the existence of many drawbacks. For any nation, holding on to certain traditions stubbornly hinders its potential for development. In dealing with traditional beliefs, we must adopt an attitude of separating the essence from the dross, distinguishing truth from falsehood. Not all traditions are correct, but the poor often use tradition as a shield. If you carefully investigate, ask them if they truly believe in it. Perhaps not. They don't believe in the good things that traditions ask them to do, but they believe in the bad. This is a manifestation of the inherent flaws in human nature. We must not let tradition become the shackle of our thoughts. Instead, we should seek inspiration within traditions and explore new directions for development. Only with an open mindset towards tradition, removing superstitions and biases, can we truly make progress. Challenging traditional beliefs, daring to question, may be the key to unlocking the shackles on the minds of the poor.